Hey guys, K&N Taco here. I'm here with Kathy and my wife Brenda. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
She's over here, little Yoda. So we have the Tacoma, and we recently went off-roading. So every time I go off-roading, or when I go off-roading a couple times, I like to use the K&N kit to clean the TRD air filter that we have in the truck. This is very simple. Just take these off, pull out the filter, and as you can see, it's not super dirty. It's kind of dirty. The redness from the oiling the last time is kind of gone. So we're just gonna spray this with the cleaner, and we'll hose it down. Stop. So normally what I do is I just spray it down thoroughly. Try to make sure I get everything. Let it soak in a little bit. And you want to be generous with this, because if you think about it, this is what's cleaning the air that goes into your motor. And then I do the opposite side as well. This side I don't do too much because this is the side that the air should already be clean. And as you can tell, this is a lot cleaner than this side, right? So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right. So once you let it sit for a little bit, you get your hose, and then you see all the water falling in there. It's filthy. And it's not going to be perfect by any means, but it is going to be way better, way cleaner. So catch a look at a little bit of that dirty ass water that came out. And that's all just dirt from off-roading. And leave it here to kind of dry in the sunlight. All the excess water will drain down, as you can see, and it'll just dry on its own. The Tacoma is gonna sit there while it dries out. So we'll be right back with you guys once it's dry. All right, so once it dries up, we're gonna use the K&N, the air filter oil. And you don't want to be too generous with this, but you also don't want to skimp out on it. You just want it to like give it a nice even coating throughout. The reason why you don't want to skimp out is because this is essentially what goes in the fibers, and it helps capture all the dirt in between the fiber, the material. And if there's too little, dirt is gonna just go straight in. If there's too much, this can also damage sensors like the MAF cars. It will damage the MAF sensors. It can, gunk up your throttle body a little bit. I generally maintain mine pretty well. As far as oil changes, washing this the filter and making sure that there's enough oil on the filter, and also that it's not too much. I do from time to time also make sure that I check the sensors and the throttle body to make sure it's not too dirty or gunky. But yeah, overall, that's how you do the maintenance. Once we're ready to spray this down with oil, I'll loop you guys back in, and I'll show you guys how I do it. And yeah, we'll go from there. It's a pretty straightforward process. Anybody can do this. Literally anybody can do this. I mean, as you saw, it's just spray, cleaner, hose, water, regular water, and that's it. Just a little bit of patience. All right, guys. So we have the K&N air filter oil. I'll go ahead and just give it a little shake, just because. And like I said, even coatings. Make sure it looks a little pink, and then flip it over. And I usually just like to give this side a light coating. And that's it. Then we're gonna come to the truck, basically ready to go. As soon as you're done, and then you just line up your intake. Line up your intake and clamp these down and you're good. Ready to go. That's it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the new shorts. We've been pretty active on shorts. Yeah, go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Use and Abuse Taco for some random posts. And yeah, thank you guys.